Hello guys, what's up? It's Saturday here, evening in Germany. For today's video. Mami, what's up you guys? This is Zizi's Adventure again. And tonight, because it's 7 p.m. here in Germany, or 8 p.m. here in Germany, I am going to bake Gewürzkuchen. So, ito siya. Binili namin siya sa may supermarket yung book. So, may mga cookies and recipes dito na pwede siyang gamitin. Pero German man siya, so hindi ako makaintindi. So, I need my husband to help me out here. And later on, I'm gonna show it to you how to bake the Gewürzkuchen. And here are the ingredients. This is the dark chocolate for the toppings. 2 of them, a butter, unsalted butter, cocoa powder, sugar, white sugar, and meal. What is meal? A flour. Then lastly, the Gewürz. This is for the flavoring of the chocolate cake. Now guys, we need 4 eggs. We separated the white. So the white egg should be like that, look like that, really stiff. So guys, we have it here, half of the butter, and next we are going to put the egg yolk. Then the sugar, I mix it together. So I'm going to explain to them. So right now we are going to mix together the butter, the egg yolks, 4 egg yolks, and the sugar in the mixer. Okay, right now guys, since it's already mixed all the ingredients here, then we have to put the 300 grams of flour. And then 300 grams of not 300 grams, it's like half of it. And 1 small pack of baking powder. And then this is the Gewürz, guys, the German thingy. I don't know if we have this in the Philippines, but I guess not. because this is German stuff, German recipe. So now we have to put the Gewürz. It's a little bit smelly. 1 teaspoon. And then finally we can mix it. Oh, the milk. Lastly, together with this is the milk. We only have for meal 175 ml. So we have to put it together and mix it up. Are you ready? Guys, this is already finished, the cake dough. So we have to put this gradually. And then, so guys, because it's really hard to mix it by the spatula alone, so I am putting it in the electric mixer right now, but you have to put it gradually. This meringue or egg yolk, white eggs. So here. Okay, for 40 minutes. We have to cook it for 40 minutes, guys, and that's it. And later on, we're going to make the toppings, which is the dark chocolate, the two of us. See you later. Bye.